everyone, IEEE RAIT is back with yet another amazing DIY video. Today we'll be making a security alarm using Node MCU. The components required are Node MCU, ESP8266, HC05 ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires male to male, and a breadboard. This is the HC05 ultrasonic sensor. It is equipped with 4 pins. First is the VCC pin, which is used to power the sensor. Second is the trigger pin, which is used to send the output waves. Third is the echo pin. It is used to sense the waves which are repelled by the object in front of the sensor. And the fourth is the ground pin to ground the power supply. As we mount the Node MCU on the breadboard, we have to make sure that it is placed in the center, leaving us place on both sides for the connections. Now, we mount the HC05 ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard. Make sure to mount it on the line where it is not colliding with the Node MCU pin. First, we connect our VCC pin of the HC05 to the VIN pin of the Node MCU, which provides 5 volt supply required for our sensor. Now, we connect the trigger pin to the digital I/O pin 2 of the Node MCU and the echo pin to the digital I/O pin 1 and the ground pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the GND pin of Node MCU. We'll start with the Blink app now. We can just download it from the Google Play Store. First step is to register on the Blink app. You will have to enter your email ID and create a password for yourself, then click on Sign Up. Now, click on New Project, select ESP8266 from the drop-down box, enter the name of your project and click on Create. The auth token will be sent to your email ID, which will be required for a code later on, so click on OK. Now, we will add the required widgets for our project. So simply click on the Add button and scroll down the menu. Acquire the widget named Gauge, adjust it to the screen. Then search for another widget named Notification and lastly the widget named Email. Now, we adjust the settings for a Gauge widget. So, we click on it and the settings appear. Now click on Pin and switch the analog to digital and pin to V1. Then press OK. Change the parameters from 1023 to 30. Now for the notification widget, change the priority parameters from normal to high and make sure to copy all the additional settings on your phone. For the email widget, simply put your email ID in the ID field. Now we are good to go with our Blink app. Now, on your Gmail account, you would be receiving an auth code from the Blink community. Simply copy it and paste it in the char auth section of the code so that the project on Blink app is linked to the Node MCU over the internet. Now it's time we attach the micro USB cable to the Node MCU and upload the code using the Arduino IDE. Once the code is uploaded, in the menu bar click on Tools and then go to the serial monitor. Make sure to change the baud rate to 115200 to see the output and make sure the sensors are working properly. Now, on your Blink app, you will be able to see the gauge interact if you move an object close to it. And as the gauge hits a distance of 9 cm or less, we get a notification about an intruder on our phone screen immediately. In addition, we also receive mails from the Blink community about a sneaky intruder. This is all about a security alarm so that we can keep an eye on any intruder breaking into our house. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to us for more upcoming awesome videos. Thank you.